Welcome back to Blazing Sky, y'all. We are here in Wichita Falls, Lucy Park. We're gonna hit the trail. We've never completed the whole trail because our batteries just didn't last that long. It's a 28-mile trail, and now that we have 2 batteries for each of our electric bikes, we're gonna be able to hit that range. And the Talaria XXX, it'll hit that range no problem. So stick around and see what we got going on our 2-wheeled adventure.
Welcome back to Blazing Sky. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Let's ride. Look, FK and Fast already took off. He's like, I can't wait for y'all to do y'all little intro.
It is raining outside and that's not very good. Blazing Sky.
Ready to ride.
Blazing Sky, Mellows World, and FK and 5.
Yeah.
Bro's gone again. He's gone to Texas.
Yes, he's gone. Well, we're here in Texas.
Going across the spring.
Here we go. We're back at it, y'all. This is an amazing trail. Wait till you guys see it. There's lots of bridges, lots of twisties and turns. This is already starting off fun. We got the river flowing. We're approaching the falls, guys. We didn't go around the other way.
Here we are at the falls. Kind of smells like sewer.
Yeah.
It's the I-44 bridge.
Kind of smells like our parking.
And sport mode.
Let's ride, y'all. Let's go.
You want your windshield down to block the rain.
Oh, where's that paying fast going? Oh.
I tried to do my hill climb.
Going up. And then going down. Woohoo!
Flip it over or whatever.
We need to stop.
Good?
Yeah.
She's putting her visor down.
Oh. Hope the lens ain't all wet. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Fun, fun, fun. Woohoo! Yeah, this is hella fun.
No, he's not. You gotta think positive.
Just stop recording. The hell? How long has this thing been dead? It stopped recording again. Why does this pedal feel stuck? What's wrong with my pedal? Oh, it's broken. Yep, broken. All right, let's keep going. Try to catch back up to them. Let me see. Hit this. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Oh, they're going fast. I can't go that fast.
Wait for them a little.
I don't want to get in this water, y'all. Oh crap. Woo! Okay. Wow.
Going fast.
I almost lost it. About to cross this bridge over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Go. Then we look into this turn. We look at where we're going.
Yes.
Which is that
Loving
way.
this.
And then we look this way.
I remember this place.
Good job. Where you look is where the bike goes.
All right, we gotta wait. Is this thing still recording? I hope so. I sure hope so. I swear, if it turns off on me again and we lose a bunch of footage, I'm gonna be mad. Oh, they're still going. They ain't even stopping for us.
What happened to them? Do you see them?
No. Where did it go? We left them behind.
I think I see them.
All right, where are they? Oh, there they are. I hope my tire's not getting flat. I hope I make it through this ride. 'Cause I woke up this morning with a flat tire.
They're coming. Let's go.
I got destroyed by thorns.
Hi.
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 Hello.
Oh, a sunflower.
Yeah, sunflowers.
I never seen a sunflower in my whole life.
We were enjoying the speed. We were enjoying the sport mode, huh?
Hi. Woohoo! Echo! Oh! Oh! A-E-I-O-U!
Where'd Uncle go?
Oh, there he is.
There he is.
Some dude just laying right there. What's up with that?
The guy even alive?
Yeah. We've never gone this far on the trail before because our batteries always died. Now here we are. Going further than we thought we could. Woo! are so fast.
Oh, there's a ditch.
Where are we?
What is that?
Looks like a dam, or it used to be a dam. This is cool.
You wanna go up the hill?
Oh, look at the fish back there.
Oh, this is cool.
Hey, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool.
It's like one of those like swing chairs.
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at him go. Down the hill.
Yeehaw!
How's your battery? 83% still? Wow, 555 miles. How'd you do that?
Good view.
Woo, this is a nice little lake here. Coasting down, y'all. I hope my tire holds up. That's what I really hope for right here. $78. You're still not halfway.